Can TRT kill you?
Yeah, anything can kill you. If you're going to take an 18 gauge needle and you're going to inject into an artery and then pull that needle out and not apply pressure, and you're going to have hemorrhaging and hypovolemia, and eventually your heart's going to stop. I mean, yeah, technically anything can kill you. Hormones do not directly kill people, certainly not acutely. You're not going to inject a hormone of any sort and drop dead. If you're referring to long term, can they shorten the lifespan if done incorrectly? Again, your diet can shorten your lifespan. Stress can shorten your lifespan. Lack of sleep can shorten your lifespan. Anything can and will impact your lifespan. Will a hormone directly be the cause of your death? The answer is no. So again, too much emphasis being placed on testosterone in a negative light. Just do it properly with the correct guidance, and you'll never have to worry about any of these type of adverse effects that you may read on Google.